Hello everyone and welcome to another weekly weekend reset. This is technically part 2 to this weekend's cleanup video. This is the Sunday after Halloween. I know I'm posting this a little bit late, but bear with me here. I work full time and my kids have activities literally 7 days a week right now. This is also the last week where our schedule is this hectic, so we're about to have a little bit of a break, which I cannot wait for. My youngest is in football right now and he's about to have his championship game, so we've had a lot of practices to go to. Anyways, there wasn't much to do downstairs because I had everything cleaned prior to Halloween and it actually stayed pretty decent throughout the weekend. So we are instead going to take it upstairs to clean the loft today. In part 1, I had cleaned the top of the landing area and all the cabinets inside. So if you're interested in watching that, go ahead and check that out. Full confession, while I was cleaning the landing, a lot of the random stuff I didn't know what to do with ended up in this room. So I had to deal with that today, but it's okay. Everything got cleaned and it looks so much better now. So you guys have now seen our normal living room area downstairs. That's right in the kitchen, dining room. It's kind of all combined into one big room. And this is where we do like family game nights, movie nights. This is where my boys and my husband play their video games. I also really like the decorations in here. It's kind of themed by different like movies and games that we like to play and watch. A lot of Disney, anime, Harry Potter, just basically anything that's like a special interest of ours. Also, yes, our Christmas tree is up already. Technically, it was never actually taken down after last year's Christmas. It's just so beautiful and also honestly took so much work to put it up. I was like, let's just enjoy it for a little bit longer, and a little bit longer ended up meaning the rest of the year. The way I approach cleaning this room is a little different than the way I do downstairs. With the downstairs area, I split my list into like categories. So first I'll pick up trash and then dishes. But up here, kind of for recording purposes, I just did a little section at a time, and I actually do find that to be helpful when cleaning. Instead of looking at the whole entire room and getting overwhelmed by everything that needs to get done, I will pick a small section, clean that, and then move to the right, and then just keep doing that until we get to the final stretch. And that's where we are now. We're now at that last bit. Most of the stuff on here is the stuff that was on the landing that I just kind of like temporarily placed here, and now I'm actually going through it and taking care of those things instead of just placing them in another location. There is one last section that I need to clean for this upstairs landing hallway area, and I will show you that in a minute. It is extremely embarrassing, and that one's going to be a little bit harder to do because it's some things that I need to like donate or get rid of, and I actually need to sort through a lot of those things and take the time with it. All right, and here we go. This area is now complete. Here is the after. I do still need to vacuum, so I will be doing that in a little bit. While this looks great, this is the pile of stuff that I need to take care of. The stuff in the forefront is laundry, trash, and things that need to go in the garage. The stuff all the way in the back by the wall is what I actually need to go through and sort. Oh yeah, I totally forgot, but I did go through and dust everything because it's been a long time and it desperately needed it. Actually, you'll see me like scratching my nose and stuff because there was so much dust. It irritated me for like the rest of the day. My allergies were not happy. After dusting, I did fold a load of laundry. After that, we went grocery shopping. I came back, I did another load of laundry, and then finished the room off with a vacuum. For those of you guys that are new here, I would like to quickly introduce myself. My name is Catalina. I'm a married working mom of 3 kids who all have very busy schedules. Between work and all their activities, I'm pretty much busy from the moment I wake up to the moment I lay my head back in bed. I started this channel to encourage those who hate cleaning or simply just don't have time for cleaning. I would definitely say that I fall into both of those categories. However, I probably hate cleaning more than I don't have time for cleaning. I hate to admit it, but I am also part of the problem. As a creative individual and borderline hoarder, things very quickly and very easily tend to get out of hand. Thankfully, however, I am very self-aware, so as soon as I start noticing I'm falling into bad habits, I can stop myself and get back on track with things. Hoarding craft items tends to be a little bit harder for me to stop myself doing that, and anything sentimental. And for some reason, sticks, like a good looking stick, I don't want to get rid of. I once had a little like flower vase, a big one, and I just had bare dried sticks in it. Don't ask questions. I don't have them any longer, but that is only because they were reused in a project. Otherwise, I would probably still have them today. Don't forget to come back and see the next video where I clean the rest of the upstairs area. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that you got some kind of motivation from it, maybe, possibly. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.